Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I finally got another case today, so here it is. So here are all my 4 cases. They're full of Ford vehicles. So now here's my second Chevy case with all my Chevys. This is not enough Chevys to fill the case, but I do have a few more to open. So yeah, so let's pop this open. And yeah, we got all of our Chevys today. We can just put them all in there. So there you go. Got some new cars in the collection. So let's start plopping in some of these cars. So let's organize them and see which ones are we gonna put first. So let's get these. So the first one I'm gonna put 57 Chevy, no 67. Yeah, no 76. So there we go. Plop it in there. Next one we got is goofy looking Chevy. So there we go. Next car, which Alright guys, so we have fully, not really, finished the case. So here are all the cars on the front here that we put in. So these are all the Chevys we had for now. So now we're going to get more Chevys, and we don't have any more yet, but we will get some more Chevys later on. So yeah guys, just wanted to show you my new case that I got. Filled it halfway, but yeah guys, send a video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.